everyone, we're going to transform each polar equation to an equation in rectangular coordinates. Identify and graph the equation. So both of these have this form of, the first one be r equals plus or minus 2a cosine of theta, where a is positive, and the second one is the same thing but with sine. These are both circles, and we'll look at that in just a minute. So first, let's write the equation in rectangular coordinates. So for the first one, we have r equals negative 4 cosine of theta. Now let's multiply through by r. We're trying to substitute in using our rectangular coordinates here. So we get r squared equals negative 4r cosine of theta. Well, r squared is x squared plus y squared. We have negative 4, and r cosine of theta is x. Now, we're going to add this to both sides of the equation and complete the square. So we have x squared plus 4x. Then when you complete the square, you take half of 4 and square it, which is 4. Then we just have y squared here. So we made a perfect square trinomial. Since we added 4 to the left, we have to add it to the right. All right, let's condense this as x plus 2 squared plus y squared equals 4. This is center negative 2 comma 0 with radius equals 2. All right, let's do the other one the same way. I'll go a little faster. So we have r equals negative 4 sine of theta. Multiply through by r. You get r squared equals negative 4r sine of theta, and substitute. So we're going to get x squared plus y squared equals negative 4, and this equals y right here. All right, now let's go ahead and move this over, group it with the y. So add it to both sides, complete the square, and add the 4 to both sides. Condense your perfect square trinomial here. So you're going to get x squared plus y plus 2 squared equals 4. This is, your center is 0 comma negative 2, and your r equals 2. All right, so there we have done our equations in rectangular coordinates. Now let's go ahead and graph this. So for the first one, we had center is negative 2 comma 0, and the radius was equal to 2. So you go down, you go to the left by 2, 1, 2. The radius is 2, so go out 2 more like this, and then draw the circle. So that's what this looks like. It has this form of cosine, so it's tangent to this line. It touches it, pi divided by 2, and its center is on the polar axis. All right, the second one we had 0 comma negative 2, and our r was 2. So we're going up 2. The radius is 2, so go down 2, up 2 more, and then try to draw this little circle here. There's your circle. This one is this one here, this form. It's tangent to the polar axis, and then it's centered on the line theta equals pi divided by 2. I have this on my Facebook page if you need to save a photo of it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.